Industry projects seem intimidating only until you realize they are just structured applications of fundamentals solving real problems. Welcome to the Learning Studio, where we don't just teach theory, we show you how ideas turn into working systems in the real world. Most students think industry projects are vastly different from academic work, but in reality, they are built on the same concepts: circuits, control, power, electronics, and software, applied with constraints like cost, safety, reliability, and timelines. The difference is not knowledge, but structure and decision-making. To see this intuitively, think about building a house. You don't start by placing furniture. You begin with requirements, then design, then construction, testing, and maintenance. Industry projects follow the same end-to-end flow. Engineers define the problem, select components, design the system, simulate behavior, build prototypes, test performance, and finally deploy and maintain the solution. At a deeper level, an end-to-end project connects multiple disciplines. Electrical design meets control logic, power electronics meets software, and hardware meets real-world constraints. Decisions are made based on trade-offs, not ideal conditions, and every choice affects performance, safety, and cost. This is where theoretical knowledge becomes practical engineering judgment. On a larger scale, industry projects, power factories, power plants, transportation systems, smart infrastructure, and consumer products. Whether it's an automation line, an energy management system, or an embedded device, real projects follow similar life cycles across industries. In real engineering practice, understanding end-to-end projects is critical for working in teams, communicating with stakeholders, and delivering reliable systems. Engineers who can see the full picture, not just isolated calculations, are the ones who lead projects rather than just execute tasks. Now that the intuition behind industry projects is clear, the next step is to walk through a complete real-world project step by step, from requirements to deployment. And that's exactly what we'll cover next here at the Learning Studio.